Here are the 5 best lamp oil. So let's dive into the video. Number 1. Most popular 1 gallon paraffin lamp oil. A clean burning fuel is essential in order to have a nice, tidy home without the worry of foul odor or smoke. This lamp oil is clean, burning, and smokeless, so your home will be clean and safe while providing bright enough for whatever needs doing. This paraffin lamp oil is multi-purpose. That's great for indoors or outdoors because no matter where you need it, this 1 gallon paraffin lamp oil is going to provide it well. In case of blackouts or power outages, at home that makes candles and flashlights dangerous, the 1 gallon lamp oil for indoor is perfect for those times. Number 2. 1 gallon liquid paraffin lamp oil. This tiki torch oil is more refined than traditional kerosene oil, which means that there's less smut and unpleasant odor. There is no problem using it indoors or outdoors since it is safe. The oil fuels a smokeless, odorless flame that can be used with any lamp wick. It is perfect for restaurants and buffets. It's elegant and romantic. When the power goes out, keep this gentle lamp oil at your home so you can use it for the oil lamp and hurricane lanterns. There are 6 different colors in Hyola Candles lamp oil, so you can tailor the look to your taste. Number 3. Lamplight Ultra Pure Lamp Oil. Brighten your home in all-around way with the help of Lamplight Ultra Pure Lamp Oil, which is specially formulated to burn without smoke and odor to provide a cleaner, more pleasant experience. This 99% pure liquid paraffin oil is perfect for use in lamps and candles for a great ambience. Lamplight Ultra Pure Lamp Oil has an attractive design that fits beautifully in every corner of your home. It burns brighter and cleaner than ordinary lamp oils, creating an inviting atmosphere for indoor with its clean burning scent and soft glow. This high-quality lamp fuel is perfect whether you're using your lamp for emergency lighting, everyday needs, or simply add ambience to your home decor. Number 4. Sterno 30644 Liquid Paraffin Lamp Oil. This Sterno for indoors is the perfect fuel for use in your lamp if you are looking for an economical and effective option. This oil will produce a bright and beautiful flame. The product is safe and easy to refill, which makes it a great product to use with your tea lights, table lamps, citronella candles, or torches. This product burns cleanly and releases little smoke or soot that can be harmful to your body or environment. For a clean burn, the liquid paraffin lubricant is made from highly refined paraffin blend that have been specially blended for use with indoor lighting. Number 5. Firefly Kosher Clean Fuel Lamp Oil. Firefly Clean Lamp Oil would be easy for everyone to use. This fuel is also safer than kerosene lamp oil because it is a cleaner burning fuel that doesn't produce smoke. It's odorless and has a longer runtime and flame height than lamp oil. Firefly Fuel Incorporation created this lamp oil to provide the cleanest burning and odorless alternative for use in all types of lamps and devices. The flash point is 220 degrees Fahrenheit, which means if you lit up and put it under your clothes, they would immediately catch on fire.
For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.